Hey y'all, welcome back. Hey, it's getting warmer outside. People are wanting to get out and griddle. Hey, today I got a really simple marinade for chicken. A lot of people like to do like a marinated chicken breast for salads, what have you. Hey, I got you covered today. You will not want to miss it. It's going to be some good groceries, y'all. That's some good groceries. All right, first things first, let's get the marinade started. We're gonna start off with about a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. To that, we're gonna add the juice of 1 lemon. All right, now to this mixture, we're gonna add some of this Blackstone chicken griddle. This marinade, you really gotta put the seasoning to it. You really want that flavor onto your chicken. And we're gonna add some Tuscan herb seasoning from Blackstone. And for a little sweetness, I like to use some honey. Now we're going to come in here and whisk this up. I think this could also add just a little bit more salt to this. Another little pinch. It's almost got to be salty because you got some big protein here with this chicken. You're probably going to taste it like, man, that's a lot of salt, Hussey. Just trust me. All right, we're going to set our marinade over to the side now. We're going to get our chicken ready. Going to get our chicken prepped, okay, y'all? All right, so with chicken, all right, kind of thick. You want to make sure it's kind of thin and kind of uniform so it all cooks real evenly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take each one of our chicken breasts and we're going to take and pound that out just to kind of flatten everything out. Everything's going to cook a lot more uniformly. And then you're left with a piece of chicken that's pretty even all the way across. Okay? We'll put that over into our other bag. And we're going to repeat this process for our other 3 chicken breasts. All right, so once you got your chicken all pounded out, got it in your baggie, now we're going to bring our marinade back over and we're just going to pour our marinade right into this bag. I like to reserve a little bit of the marinade. That way after you can add a little bit to the top, really sets it off when it's done and on your cutting board. Got your marinade, got your chicken in the bag. I just want to massage that around. So you want to set this in the fridge and you want to let it marinate for, I would say at least an hour. You can go shorter. And you can go up to maybe like a day. All right, guys, hey, it's time to get this chicken onto the griddle. Our griddle, we got our griddle pre-warmed to, it's about 460 to 485 degrees. And we're just gonna bring this right onto the griddle top. I didn't add any more oil. Our marinade has some oil in it. Immediately when it hits the griddle, you start smelling this really herbaceous smell out here. It smells wonderful. Hey guys, hey, appreciate you sticking around thus far. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. Down below, hey, leave me a comment. I'd love to interact with you. After about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, we're going to flip these over. And we're going to cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to start temping. All right, after another, it's about 3 to 4 minutes on that side, we're going to flip these back over to the initial side. Man, it's got some nice color to it. Look at that. That is beautiful. Here's where we want to start coming in and temping to make sure we are safe. Right now we're at about 120 degrees. Yeah, it looks like almost 130 there. So again, with chicken breast, to be safe, you want 165 degrees, y'all. Still got a little ways to go. Hey y'all, hey, down below, what's your favorite kind of chicken? Do you use a marinade? Do you use a rub? Let me know down below, what do you use? So we're pulling these right at 165 degrees. We're gonna let these set about 5 minutes and then we're gonna cut into these things and we're gonna give them a try. Y'all, our chicken, it's done. Look at it right here. Man, it's so beautiful. The exterior, nice and caramel color. That honey helps do that, helps brown a little bit. Let's cut into this dude, see what it looks like. Look at all that juice. I say we did a pretty good job, y'all. If you remember, guys, got a little bit of this marinade left. What I like to do, once you get it on your cutting boards, is come in here, just slightly, just come over the top. It just wakens up the inside of that flavor. I serve this, I cut all my chicken up and people just come to the cutting board and get their chicken. So, cheers, y'all. Oh man, oh, flavorful. So vibrant, so tasty. Y'all, this is a slam dunk. I'm pretty sure you fix this marinated grilled chicken for your next event or your next dinner, people gonna love you. I guarantee it. Y'all, hey, I appreciate you watching this. Appreciate you sticking around. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.